Howdy folks. This is a new boat ramp they've just opened to the public. It's in Northampton County. It's near the town of Jackson off of Highway 158. It's kind of off the beaten trail. It's a pretty nice gravel road to get here. I missed a couple turns, but I managed to find it. So, back in the day, if you put your boat in at Weldon and came east towards Edwards Bridge in Scotland Neck, it's about 30 miles. And from what I can tell by looking at it on the map, this is about halfway. So 15 miles upstream is Weldon boat ramp, and 15 miles downstream is Edwards Ferry on Highway 258 in Scotland Neck. Odom boating access area. The address is 1017 Striper Lane, Jackson, North Carolina. And they just opened this up yesterday. They had the ribbon cutting ceremonies here yesterday. They've got 2 floating piers, pretty nice. Looks like 2 lanes. Put in 2 boats at a time. You can see everything is still spanking brand new. This boat ramp, from what I understand on the internet, has always been here. It won't like this. It was just a dirt gravel boat ramp. And it was used back in the day to transport prisoners from Caledonia Prison, which is Halifax County, right on the other side, to Odom Prison Farm, which is on this side. So if you're coming up Highway 158, which runs all the way to like Nags Head and the Outer Banks, you don't have to go all the way to Weldon no more to put your boat in on the Roanoke. I have fished this place when I was a kid. I think there's fish in here that's never seen a lure, because it's so you can hear there's nothing in the background. You can't hear no cars or railroad tracks like you do at Weldon on my videos. I did go fishing yesterday, caught a couple nice ones. Check that out. You got a guy fishing here already. The river's low today. Yeah, it's really peaceful here. It is really peaceful. I think even with a John boat like mine and a trolling motor and a hot battery, can float from Weldon and have somebody pick me up here on the same day. It would be a long day, but I think it'd be worth it. You hear those gunshots in the background. There is a public gun range that you go by to get here. So you can hear the gunshots. That's all I hear, other than the birds. There's some gunshots in the background. I want to ask this guy when he comes by, has he caught anything? Okay, this is Jeff Tiz Fishing. I'm out.